Have you ever wondered why chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo feels different some days? Sometimes light, sometimes strong, sometimes deep. Today, I'll show you the 3 levels of Daimoku power: beginner, growing, and advanced. Each step helps your life shine brighter. When you first begin chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, it feels a little like learning a song for the first time. You're not sure if your voice sounds right or if the rhythm is steady. That's okay. Think of it like planting a small seed. At first, the seed is tiny and you don't see much happening, but inside, it is alive and it's already starting to grow. In the same way, even if your voice feels weak or uneven, every chant carries the full power of the law. That first sound already connects you to Buddhahood. So at level 1, the most important thing is simply to start. Put your voice out, steady or shaky, and know that your seed of practice has already begun to take root. As you keep chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, something changes. The sound becomes steady, like a drum beat. Your mind begins to calm down. It's like a river. At the start, it may be narrow and slow, but as it keeps flowing, it grows wider and stronger. The water gains power. In the same way, your Daimoku begins to carry strength. The rhythm of the law starts to flow through your life. You'll notice that problems feel lighter. Things that once felt heavy don't crush you the same way. This is because your practice is now shaping your mind, your heart, and even the world around you. This is level 2, chanting that is steady, calm, and strong, like a river that cannot be stopped. At this stage, chanting Namu Myoho Renge Kyo goes beyond the voice. It reaches deep into the heart. Each sound carries conviction, like it is carved into your very life. It feels like striking a great bell. When the bell rings, the whole room vibrates. In the same way, your Daimoku begins to echo through every part of your being. Nichiren taught that chanting is polishing the mirror of life. At first, the mirror is dusty and unclear, but with each chant, you polish it more and more. By the time you reach this depth, the mirror shines so clearly that it reflects your Buddhahood without any doubt. This is level 3. Daimoku that shakes your life, opens your wisdom, and shines like a mirror that has been fully polished. These 3 levels are not fixed stages. We move between them depending on our effort and our sincerity. Some days feel like level 1, other days like level 3. That is natural. What matters most is to keep chanting, even a little. Steady practice, short or long, is what makes the seed grow, the river flow, and the mirror shine. The more you chant, the more your Daimoku grows. In the next video, we'll go even deeper into how this power transforms your daily struggles. Right here, you can watch what science says happens to your brain when you chant Daimoku. Click and keep your journey moving forward.